The Anthem's party trick is its electronically adjustable seat height, moving from 30 to 34 inches on the fly. Whether you're lane filtering through gridlock and want to flat-foot the ground, or stretching out for a more open riding position on the boulevard, it's a game changer. The riding position itself is what I'd call aggressive neutral. You're upright enough to see over SUVs, but the foot pegs are high enough to give you a sporty feel in the corners. The tech is refreshingly purposeful. You get a 4.9-inch TFT display that is crisp even in direct sunlight, and the interface is intuitive, lacking the beta test clunkiness of other boutique brands. There's no clutch, obviously, but you do get a reverse mode, which at a curb weight of just 313 pounds makes backing out of tight uphill parking spots effortless. Wind protection is non-existent, and while the seat looks like a piece of modern art, it's a bit on the firm side. Fine for a 30-minute dash to the office, but you'll start feeling it an hour in.